make them hold me down. Cause let me show you apple about that word. You gonna eat that?
Are you annoying? Oh, I can't.
Anyway, but if there was more shape for true, I just cut off a little bit off I still.
Yeah, you look well scruffy.
That's some more and they look more because that's you can't they look like clean up every day now. Well shave and them something. Alright, mama. Don't bother me. Me hear them not bother me. Time look notice at December time no. Excuse me. December time now and time I get cold.
So the hairs is keeping your face warm?
Yeah, it keep my face warm. You see me?
This is how my morning is going. As he in his antics, he's basically talking to himself in the mirror.
Alright, let me take one myself. Alright. Anyway. Nisha.
Yo.
Good morning again. You gotta get up out that bed now, you know.
Ziggy, I was up before you. I was up from 7.
Them done. So you can't get up out of your bed now.
What time did you wake up this morning? Yo, let me show you guys how long we've been on the phone for. Oh no. Is it gone? We've been on the phone for like what, 12 hours?
I'm sure your Nisha can chat.
Who? You're so lie.
Jesus. I might cup this time. You see that cup here? This is me. That cup here, my drinks cup. My rum cup. A joke, man.
So y'all, today is our 4 years. It's been 4 years. It's officially been 4 years since we've been together. That's crazy.
1-4 miserable road.
1-4.
You know what I mean when we say 1-4.
The date today.
Like 4 miserable.
You're miserable too, so don't try that. Yo, this guy acts like he's not. You act like you're not miserable. Ziggy, you're miserable. I can't even say the damn word. I'm like miserable. You're more miserable than me. You have your. Where's Polly? Call Polly in this.
For your information.
Bye, Felicia.
When we are talking, we don't call Polly in our talking.
So yeah, guys, it's been 4 years.
Anyway.
And 4 years later, we're expecting our first little one. It's crazy. I think we've been vlogging for officially 3 years though. Polly.
Not because you get up this morning and look about the liquor, something you go come and chat about. You're not putting no dumpling in there so you can't talk to me. Hello! Who call it?
Ziggy, eat your veg.
Where is she?
Anywho, I'm gonna finish talking to my boo thing over here, and I don't know if I'm getting up yet.
You about that bit, man. Go look about something here, man.
I already ate at 7 something.
What you eat from morning? What you eat this morning?
A bowl of cereal and 2 waffles.
1 bowl of cereal and ruffles.
2 waffle.
Ruffle?
Waffle.
What?
2 waffle. Waffle starts with a W.
Ruffle.
Waffle.
I joke, man.
You're so annoying. Polly.
Anyway, we are gonna pull up.
You call me crazy, but look at you.
Hey. Shake your body.
Yo.
Music! What? I'm tired, Nisha.
It says video pause.
I'm tired.
Tired from what?
Let me charge it for Music! Tune!
Howdy guys. I know you guys are probably wondering like where the heck have I been? Why am I like where's the vlogs? But Ziggy is mad at me because he's just like, how you gonna start this Vlogmas thing and then you just stop? To be honest, I haven't been doing nothing, and it's just like for me to walk around my house and just be vlogging, like it would be really, really boring. Yes, I can talk, I can sit and talk, but I haven't been doing nothing. And yeah, so I guess because I haven't been uploading no vlogs, he hasn't have no motivation as well. So I guess like usually I told him like if he sends me vlog it will motivate me, but then he's saying but if you send me vlogs, if I know you're vlogging, it motivates me. So you know what? Vlogmas is almost done. I'm gonna try to finish strong. Right now I'm sitting outside McDonald's because I was craving a Big Mac. It's just something about their pickles and the Big Mac sauce. And I have ice because ice is like my thing. Actually on the way to the police station because I need to go get a police record for my school, for my semester starting in January. Everything was due, all my documentation was due December 1st, but I'm kind of like late. So I'm gonna go there and do that, and I'm just hoping that it's not busy because it's always busy, especially because you get in the same day. So that's another reason why it's always busy. So I'm on my way to do that, and then I'm gonna stop by my school, drop that off, and then that's basically it. I tell y'all how your girl passed her semester. I finished strong. I'm so happy because when I tell you like the struggle was real, plus I'm pregnant and I'm tired, those early mornings, late nights, all that studying, that's another reason why I haven't been vlogging, because I feel like I'm just like catching up on sleep that I was missing out on. Like I've just been super tired. I don't know. And like another reason is because I do have low iron, extremely low iron, and I'm in my 3rd trimester, and like I'm just hitting back that tired stage. So that's like, it's just like a mixture of everything. So I've just been trying to catch up on my sleep, because obviously like I need to, like sleep is important right now, and my body's just doing a lot. And yeah, so I'm on break for about 3 weeks. I start back January, so I'm gonna try and do as much as I can and try to get these vlogs going. I mean, there's days where I want to pick up my camera and just sit and just talk about different stuff, you know, because I can do that. But then I'm just like, are those videos boring? Like, do they actually want to see this, or do they want to see me doing stuff? But I don't do nothing. I'm sorry, like I'm not like half of these YouTubers. I'm not knocking them, but like where they just do something every day, like that's just not me. I'm very chill, I'm very laid back. If I don't have to go on the road, I'm not going on the road. My work is like done at home, so yeah. Baby girl's moving right now. I don't know if I'm gonna catch this because for some reason every time I put the camera she always stops. See? Every time. And I'm always in black. It's literally always in black. My whole pregnancy I feel like I've been wearing black. Okay, yeah, she's not moving right now, but she was moving before. So yeah, I'm gonna start driving, and I don't have my mount for my phone broke, so I'll tune back in with y'all in a bit.
I have to race up Nisha a while ago. He probably go tell you no what I go on still, but I show Nisha say, yo, mama, just keep up the vlog vibes, because I get for like it. Remember when time she just started vlog, I never used to like, you know, because I didn't know what that was. Like, she just has a vlog and show me other people. I do them things, you see me? So I never really into the thing like, you know what I mean? But by growing and growing and growing, then like you get like drawn to it. You know what I mean? Younger, me never too like in certain things, you see it. Only when me feel comfortable, you see me? But now I'm comfortable as hell, you know? Because all the things. So Nisha go do up a video. I'm telling you, make sure it's do up a video. Even if you just show him belly a little bit and show little movements or then you get up in your mind, you go eat some breakfast, you show what I go on. What's our one show, you show what I go on, see me. And all the vibes, though. Because family out there miss me. They haven't seen us in like what? About 3-4 days now. And like, let's show the people we're here. We still have hair. Anyway, last night I touched you go up on the skate land. Go for go skate, but not only in there, go on. I went to Bogle auntie last night. Remember Bogle? Oh, yeah man, I see Bogle auntie last night, so she had say, boy Ziggy, I like how you and Bogle roll, you know. I like that, I like how you take care of him, you know. Yeah man, I say, you don't know it decent, you know, I just, everybody want to live a life, you know, nobody don't want to feel left out, don't. Yeah man, so you have to just make sure say everybody included in our go, you know, so you can feel like somebody to you, see me? You know? Make your boss feel like less a person see me. I still somebody, you know, still have a heart down. Yeah. So I make sure you know, say I say set man, I just made that, you know. So sure big up yourself. If you watch the vlog you see me, because I say she watch the vlog them, you know, and she see our nephew in our vlog and she like, oh so watch my nephew, you know? So sure big up yourself and Bogle big up yourself. Nisha say nothing now go on, so I don't know. I don't even know how far with it. You see it, but for today, I try to see if we can catch up on some little something. Right there, I say, I show Nisha a little video of Dan J, the little youth there, always there around me. I did the dog birthday, you know. So I say I want trampoline and if I play some music for him, you know. So we make a little thing go on for the boss birthday. Even though I'm mother and father did it still, but we should go out and play some music for the boss and boss and say want some ice cream, so buy boss a box of ice cream, cause you don't know, you know. For the youths them don't jump up Polygon and Falmouth. So I'm opening shop for her. She say bag juice van supposed to come. Found me there, they wait for the bag juice van to come, so we're done. But for now, I'm going to eat some Sunday Monday. If enough people probably don't know any Sunday Monday only. Like a Jamaican or Jamaican we know what is a Sunday Monday. See? And I'm going to show you a name Sunday Monday same way, you know, you see me? Just a little few minutes. But we're there still. The affair. Big old sun in the sky. Also enough I want to probably see December and I say, yo, out here just look good. Yeah man, the place nice. Only night time call you off. Yo, when I interview out this on January, like me have on a shoes and socks and it's like me told them cold. When I say cold, like me did a chimber, me have to say yo daddy. Growing on my yard now, I have just come out me and come put down a pullover same speed. As me did me I say yo right now, I don't mind if me want to have gloves. Put on for me and car. Cold. So I hot up some Sunday Monday and now. Is it? You see it? I thought I was playing from before. You see, it's Sunday Monday. Sunday Monday food. Alright, so when the food cook is Sunday. You see me? And the food nice, you know. Nice, you know, make it all like, you know. They say you go eat it Monday now. Then time they, you know. So see what we call Sunday Monday. See here. So some rice and peas and pork. You know? Or I call it rice and peas and a chintan. You understand? So that's our meal they go have right now. So big up to one who know about Sunday Monday. That's Sunday Monday.
Just finished getting my little morning workout in. Morning or like afternoon workout up this hill. to my car. But yeah, I just finished and it is brisk outside. About to go to my school to drop off these documents, and then I'm going home because my back is hurting me and I want to just lay down for like 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes, that's all I asked for.
No bug juice today. Yeah, so we fly off the shop for Polly, you know what I mean? LJ! Wow, Are you made said they get your this morning? I know you?
Yes.
You made a get trouble this morning? What kind of trouble you get?
In the beating, mother. Nah. Just talk to father.
What you beat your mother for?
LJ beating mother. Father me that talk to.
What you need to talk to your father say?
I want ties.
You want ties?
He tell him father say he want big dolly for put. And
You want dolly, daddy? Daddy, you want dolly, daddy? Look, boss, you want dolly. A dolly you tell him say you want?
pigeon.
What you tell your father say you want?
One car.
One car.
Drive.
You drive.
I want pigeon. I want pigeon. Yeah.
If the people, the family, them say they go take you away. They go, okay, you got foreign. You want to go foreign? Eh?
Just try too far, man.
I say.
It's too far.
I say, I'm so too far.
I don't.
Foreign too far.
I don't.
Say, daddy, watch it all time, man. You know, man. You don't want to go foreign, go play in a snow.
I want question me.
One for ask you.
Not for your business.
Oh, for business. You soon flying? You.
You fly.
Me, your ears them go start flying. Go make you fly. Look. Look on your ears them. Then go make you fly. Flap them, let me see.
No.
Yo. Eh? Huh? What?
Ball.
Say what? Which fly ball? Why ball? Daddy, me not understand what you say, daddy. You love explaining. Yo, what you say one?
The ball.
50 box drinks.
Yeah. And small one. $100. Thank you.
You're welcome. Daddy, me not selling a sweetie in my youth. I'm too much sweetie, daddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me this, a $10 for dynamite.
Bright.
Who bright?
Give me my money. Give me $5.
My youth, a $10 for dynamite, daddy.
Yo, she give me $5.
Alright, give me back your dynamite then.
No, give me $5.
A $10 for each, brother.
Polly, give me $5.
Who sell a dynamite? Whoever sell a dynamite?
It's Polly.
How much Polly sell it for?
$5.
Alright. Rob you there, rob me, you know.
Give me $5. Me no want to.
A $10 for two, my youth.
So, give me $5, boss, man.
Can't rob them liquor man, man. Them know them thing. Oh, man, that's it. What kind of sweetie?
I want that you give me, boss, man.
Oh, you $1.
Give me $5, boss, man. Let me get that. Come. Why too lie, man? Come.
Robbie boy, they tell Robbie no puppy.
Right and face. Come.
See, man, have you $5 there.
Give me $5, Come.
Yo, give him $5.
And my auntie for a bad juice and he is not using me.
And he's not giving me. Stop touching me now.
Come back to
Come, pass the back juice and give me. Take time, you know. Take up the one from front, brother. One of them, yeah.
Let me change up in the wood. One now.
Yeah, man.
Oh, and these are mine.
What for you?
Ready? I'm going to take up a good item so I have to get one. Take it. Give
See
me
them
one
little
next.
boy, you know, easy, you know?
Give me one next and different done. Oh, what
Take
about
what you get, take what you get.
That's the boy.
What you say, want you?
Some
What you say, Drop?
I said, $20 just in a pen for me.
Oh. Alright, you say one. Two. Two turtle biscuit. Pally come over and say, boy, Pally. So me clean up your fridge and clean up your thing and set up your place. And you go, yeah. So I know if you do it already. That's the lack of that they go say, yes. But when it comes still, watch it.
I thought. Am I ingrown? It's so ugly. Who's talking to you? So guys, I just got home, so tired. Went to my school and the office is closed. Like, I'm filming from my phone. That's why like, quality is so shit, and I'm looking at myself. But I just came home to a little package. I'm assuming it's something for the baby because the only Amazon stuff that I'm getting is from off my registry. I can't wait to open these. But yeah, can't open them yet. I'm here at Keisha. After she just tried to lie to me that someone left garlic bread on the porch. And it said to Keisha from Santa, and I'm here. She's here telling me how she just warmed it up. And I'm like, you don't even know who it's from? But she was joking. Kind of scared me there. But I just got homesies. I was wondering what smelled like that when I came in. Instantly made me feel nauseous. But I guess it's your garlic bread. How's school? Yeah, so I just got home. I had the Big Mac I had earlier is kind of like just sitting on my chest. So I feel kind of like, I feel nauseous right now. I'm trying to drink a lot of water to see if like it'll help it to go down, but it's like the more water I drink, the more puffy my stomach feels. I need to lay down for like 10 minutes. And then I had my ring on my hand this morning, on these two fingers. And I woke up this morning and the ring, like it was like squeezing my finger. It's like I don't know what happened. It was weird. But anyways, I'm gonna lay down for a little and I'll tune back in. I'm literally here filming from my phone again because my camera's like right there, but I'm just lazy. That's really bad, but I'm here editing the vlog that's going up today, and I'm trying to get this vlog up because, you know, we couple day behind. I don't want to try to upload earlier than I usually do, so that's what I'm doing. And there's a video that I want to film tonight, so I don't think I'm gonna be vlogging later because I want to use the time that I have now to film this video that I want to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Wow, I'm actually uploading a vlog early, I think. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It mainly consisted of Ziggy Bear, but that's okay. That's okay. I didn't do much, so like my parts are always gonna be short. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So yeah, later.